Happy Wednesday, folks. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at 10 o'clock. High temperatures today really weren't all that high. We're looking at 70s for what we saw for high temperatures across the board. 72 in Thief River Falls, one of the cooler spots. 82 in Wadena, a warm spot, as well as 82 degrees in Wheaton for that high temperature. Also, at 77 that high in Grand Forks, and Fargo made it to 75 degrees this afternoon. Here's how things look right now. Beautiful shot there from our Grand Forks Home of Economy Skycam. Calm wind in Fargo at Hector International Airport, but air temperature at 60 degrees as we speak, 64 degrees there in Moorhead. Notice that dew point is now in the low 50s. So, of course, the north wind we had today really brought some drier air in, as those dew points yesterday at this time were still in the 70s and 60s. So it's notably less humid if you step outside here this evening. 63 degrees is that current temperature in Grand Forks. Nice calm wind up in the northern valley. Again, with that dew point in the mid 50s, it feels great. Open those windows up, let some of that cooler air in. 57 in Bemidji. Not saying you need a sweater out there just yet, but boy, it feels pretty crisp out there with Paul Bunyan and Babe the Blue Ox there. 59 in Halleck and Langdon. A couple more of the cooler spots there at this time. Satellite radar, again, nothing too concerning. Maybe a few clouds here or there, but by and large, not much to speak of here on the old satellite and radar imagery. Tomorrow afternoon, your hometown forecast shows plenty of sunshine, but look at how much warmer we are tomorrow afternoon than those high temperatures we saw just a few moments ago from today. 80s and 90s expected for highs across the region for our Thursday. Here's the hour by hour for the overnight, showing you just how quiet things stay all night long. Tomorrow morning, there's those 50s and 60s for morning temperatures. Not expecting 40s, but some areas may dip into the lower 50s tomorrow morning. Then by lunchtime, look at this. The window's open time ends pretty quickly once the sun comes up, because that south wind, the sunshine, we're in the 70s and 80s by lunchtime. So with plenty of sunshine all day long with that south wind, humidity will be on the rise. Noticeably more humid for us tomorrow. 80s and 90s for those high temperatures. Again, plenty of sunshine, nothing too concerning. But then toward 10 o'clock, this time tomorrow, we're watching out toward the west for some weather pushing through Minot. And that track of this system and intensity of this is still a bit of a question mark with the environment that these storms are moving into. But by Friday morning, could see a few spotty showers or storms moving across the region, extending, of course, that chance into Minnesota there as we head toward the noon hour. So the south wind continues on Friday, and the south wind, warm temperatures in the afternoon, looking at mid-90s in the Southern Valley for highs on Friday. A cold front comes through. With that cold front, watching some scattered storm activity along that front, and some of those could be strong to possibly severe. Hail and wind the primary concerns. Timing looks to be from, say, Friday at dinner time onward to about midnight is when we're watching this cold front moving through and bringing that chance of storms into the region there. So Lakes Country, again, for Friday is included in that. So at WeFest, just make sure to follow along this forecast very closely as we're tracking that storm chance for Friday evening in Lakes Country. The marginal risk of severe weather is a level 1 out of 5 on the severe weather risk scale. Fargo, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, Aberdeen, Ellendale, Sisseton, all included in that. That's right along that cold front that's moving through on Friday. So watching that very carefully for you guys, but just take note and make sure to be weather aware for your Friday evening plans. So there's the hotness we're seeing for tomorrow, 90, mid-90s Friday. That severe storm chance mainly south in the Lakes Country area, Fargo, and then down toward Ellendale. But that cold front means, well, cooler air comes in for the weekend. So mid-70s Saturday, upper 70s for Sunday. Maybe still be a lingering shower or storm there Saturday morning. And Sunday can't completely rule out a spotty PM shower or storm. But plenty of dry time ahead for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Again, great news for those folks at WeFest. We're back in the 80s, though, for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Notice plenty of sunshine there for the first half of next week. So we're a little bit warmer, but that's about where we should be for this time of year. Maybe a couple degrees warmer than average, but Justin, Stacy, just in time for the weekend back in the 70s.
Again, the roller coaster continues. A little bit of something for everybody.
It's going to keep going, so be ready.
Buckle up. All
yeah,
right. Thanks,
buckle up.
Nathan.